A day in Sunny City. Anna lived in a big city called Sunny City. It was always bright and full of life. Every morning she woke up to the sound of birds singing and cars honking. She loved her city very much. One Saturday, Anna decided to explore Sunny City. She packed a small backpack with water and snacks and left her house. The sun was shining and the sky was blue. She walked to the park first. The park was full of flowers and tall trees. Children were playing on swings, and people were jogging. Anna sat on a bench and enjoyed the beautiful view. After some time, she visited the city market. There were many colorful stalls. Vendors sold fruits, vegetables, and handmade crafts. Anna bought a fresh apple and some cute earrings. The people at the market were friendly and smiled at her. Next, Anna walked to the library. It was a big building with many books. She loved to read. Inside, she found a quiet corner and read a story about a brave knight. Time flew by, and soon it was afternoon. Finally, Anna decided to go to the river. She sat by the water and watched the boats go by. Some ducks were swimming, quacking happily. Anna felt peaceful and happy. As the sun began to set, she headed home, thinking about her wonderful day in Sunny City. She loved exploring her city and discovering new places. Anna knew she would have more adventures tomorrow.